World Day for Safety and Health at Work is an opportunity for the International Labour Organization to raise awareness on safe practices in workplaces and the role occupational safety and health services play, especially in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic. The day also raises global concern over the continued rise in cases of COVID-19 infections in parts of the world and the ability to sustain declining rates in countries such as Nigeria, where workers and the organizations face enormous challenges as they try to combat the pandemic and enhance safety and health at work.
How do we manage this risk in the work environment? We as safety professionals, we are looking at the additional responsibilities that will be attached to our usual, responses to the already existing challenges in the work environment. We talked about constant hand washing, care, some other suggestions that government would have proffered, the NCDC have proffered, WHO.
What we really need to do is first, survival is the first instinct. And I think that is why we must observe guidelines and other professionals so that we can minimize deaths, losses arising from the pandemic.
Chairman NUJ Edo State Council, Sir Roland Osakwe, and other respondents said protection and safety of journalists is key at this time owing to their exposure in the course of reporting the pandemic.
As the coronavirus is ravaging the whole world, health workers are being given adequate protection, hazard allowance, insurance. But how about the journalists covering them? Nothing for us. So, journalists must be wise at this time. The press must be wise at this time to first of all think of safety for themselves and not any other person.
So, people who sell fruits and vegetables, in addition to the general foodstuff, are also regarded as frontline workers in the prevention, in the management, in the control of COVID-19. The health workers are directly exposed to the patient. Journalists, you also exposed. For example, during the curfew imposed by the Edo State government, which had now been more or less like rationalized by the federal government, journalists also have to go out to monitor compliance. And then that exposes journalists to health hazards from COVID, as well as brutalization from security agents.
The 2020 World Day for Safety and Health at Work aims to stimulate dialogue on safety and health at work. Kingsley Uchebu reporting.